Number 9. Lexus LX. Most luxury SUVs age badly. They look incredible in the showroom, the technology feels impressive, the interior is stunning, and then the warranty expires. Repair costs climb, electronics fail, air suspensions break, owners begin receiving repair estimates that can rival monthly mortgage payments. The Lexus LX is different because underneath all the leather, wood trim, large screens, and luxury features sits something extremely important: Toyota engineering. The Lexus LX shares much of its foundation with the legendary Land Cruiser, one of the most durable vehicles ever built, and that changes everything. When new, the LX often sells for well over $100,000, yet unlike many luxury SUVs, owners rarely rush to trade them in once the warranty expires. In fact, many keep them for decades. Real-world examples routinely exceed 300,000 miles. Some owners have surpassed 400,000 miles while still using the original engine and transmission. That kind of longevity is almost unheard of in the luxury SUV market. Maintenance costs tell the same story. Many European luxury SUVs can easily cost $1,400 or more annually in maintenance and repairs. The Lexus LX often remains hundreds of dollars below that average. Over 10 years, those savings become substantial. Depreciation is another major advantage. While many luxury vehicles lose more than half their value in the first few years, the LX remains remarkably strong on the used market. 10-year-old examples regularly command prices that would surprise many buyers. Why? Because shoppers know exactly what they're getting. The LX may not have the most advanced technology, it isn't the fastest luxury SUV, but it was designed with durability as the top priority. Owners frequently praise its long-distance comfort, exceptional off-road capability, and remarkable reliability. Fuel economy certainly isn't its strength. Most owners see between 15 and 17 miles per gallon, but nobody buys an LX to save fuel. They buy it because it refuses to quit, and that's exactly why it starts our list. Number 8. Acura RDX. Luxury SUVs often come with luxury repair bills. BMW, Mercedes, Audi. They offer impressive performance and beautiful interiors, but long-term ownership can become expensive. The Acura RDX offers something different. It delivers premium comfort while maintaining Honda reliability, and that combination makes it one of the smartest luxury SUV purchases available. Particularly in earlier generations, the RDX benefited from Honda's proven naturally aspirated V6 engines and highly dependable automatic transmissions. Those powertrains earned reputations for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. Owners get leather interiors, premium sound systems, upscale materials, and advanced safety features without taking on the risks associated with many European luxury brands. This creates an interesting situation in the used market. Because the RDX doesn't carry the same prestige as German competitors, depreciation is often lower. That means buyers receive a luxury experience for considerably less money. Many owners report exceeding 150,000 or even 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake replacements, scheduled services, nothing extraordinary. Insurance can also be surprisingly affordable, thanks to strong safety ratings and a reputation for reliability. Some owners actually pay premiums comparable to mainstream SUVs. The Acura RDX proves something important. Luxury doesn't have to mean expensive ownership. Sometimes the smartest luxury vehicle is the one that quietly avoids becoming a financial nightmare. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. 10 years ago, very few people would have placed Hyundai on a reliability list. Today, things have changed dramatically. The Hyundai Santa Fe has become one of the biggest success stories in the SUV market, and much of that success comes down to value. The Santa Fe often costs thousands less than rivals such as the Toyota Highlander or Honda Passport, but the real advantage appears after the purchase. Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty provides peace of mind that very few competitors can match. That warranty alone removes much of the anxiety associated with long-term ownership. Maintenance costs also remain relatively low. Over several years, owners often save thousands compared to the segment average. What's particularly impressive is how many Santa Fe owners report reaching 200,000 miles with very few mechanical problems. Routine maintenance remains the key. Oil changes, tires, brake service, the basics. The used market has also begun recognizing the Santa Fe's reliability improvements. Modern models retain their value far better than earlier generations. Insurance costs generally remain reasonable thanks to strong safety scores and manageable repair expenses. The Santa Fe may not carry the same reputation as Toyota or Honda, but it has earned its place among today's most dependable SUVs, and buyers are finally starting to notice. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. The compact SUV segment is crowded, very crowded. Most models blend together. Similar styling, similar features, similar driving experiences. The Mazda CX-5 takes a different approach. It focuses on reliability without sacrificing enjoyment. One of the biggest decisions Mazda made was keeping a traditional automatic transmission instead of moving entirely to continuously variable transmissions. That choice may prove extremely important over the long term. Transmission repairs are among the most expensive issues SUV owners face. A traditional automatic transmission often reduces those risks considerably. The CX-5 consistently receives excellent reliability scores. Owners regularly exceed 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Maintenance costs remain below average. Resale values remain strong. And perhaps most impressive of all, the interior often feels more expensive than the price suggests. Higher quality materials, excellent sound insulation, comfortable seats, refined driving dynamics. The CX-5 manages to combine reliability with personality. It doesn't feel like an appliance. It feels like a vehicle built by people who enjoy driving. Rear seat space isn't class leading. Cargo space trails some competitors, but many buyers willingly accept those compromises because the overall ownership experience is so rewarding. The Mazda CX-5 proves that reliability doesn't have to be boring. Number 5. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has built one of the strongest reputations in the SUV market, not because it's exciting, not because it's luxurious, but because it consistently delivers exactly what owners expect. Reliability. Consumer studies regularly place the Forester near the very top of the compact SUV segment. Standard all-wheel drive gives every model an advantage. Many competitors charge thousands extra for similar capability. The Forester includes it from the start. That system not only improves winter driving confidence, but can also distribute mechanical loads more evenly over time. Early Subaru CVT transmissions generated concerns. The company responded by making significant improvements. Modern examples have proven far more durable. Owners who perform regular maintenance often report very high mileage without major problems. Another reason the Forester performs so well is owner loyalty. People who buy one Subaru frequently purchase another. That loyalty helps maintain strong resale values. Insurance costs remain competitive. Safety scores remain excellent. Maintenance costs stay manageable. The Forester doesn't try to impress buyers with horsepower numbers or luxury features. It succeeds by delivering dependable transportation year after year. And sometimes that's exactly what matters most. Number 4. Honda CR-V. Few SUVs have built a reputation like the Honda CR-V. For decades, it has become one of the safest recommendations in the entire automotive industry. And the reasons are easy to understand. Fuel economy remains excellent. Ownership costs remain low. Reliability remains outstanding. Older CR-V models continue to operate with astonishing mileage. Some examples have surpassed 400,000 miles. Others approach 500,000. Very few SUVs achieve that kind of longevity. Maintenance expenses remain among the lowest in the industry. Insurance costs stay reasonable, parts are widely available, repairs are generally affordable. The CR-V also excels at retaining value. Owners lose less money to depreciation compared to many competitors. That matters, because depreciation often represents the largest ownership expense. The CR-V doesn't dominate headlines, it doesn't chase trends, it simply continues doing exactly what it has done for decades, providing reliable transportation for millions of families, and that's why it earns the number 4 position. Number 3. Subaru Outback. Before crossovers became fashionable, the Subaru Outback was already doing exactly what buyers wanted. It offered the comfort of a car, the practicality of an SUV, and the confidence of all-wheel drive. Decades later, it continues doing the same thing. The Outback has become one of the longest-lasting vehicles on the road. Many examples exceed 200,000 miles. Well-maintained vehicles often reach 300,000. Owners and mechanics frequently report the same experience. Routine maintenance, few major repairs, long service life. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system remains one of the vehicle's greatest strengths. Unlike optional systems found elsewhere, every Outback receives the same capability. Safety ratings remain excellent. Insurance costs stay manageable. Resale values remain strong. The naturally aspirated engine focuses on efficiency and durability, while the turbocharged version provides stronger performance without sacrificing reliability. The Outback isn't designed for status. It isn't designed for attention. It's designed to work. And that's exactly why owners continue keeping them for 15 or 20 years. Number 2, Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 became America's best-selling SUV for a reason. Actually, several reasons. Reliability, efficiency, resale value, low ownership costs. The formula isn't complicated. Toyota designs the RAV4 to last. Older examples routinely exceed 300,000 miles. Many continue operating with their original engines and transmissions. The modern 4-cylinder engine focuses on simplicity. It isn't designed to impress people during a test drive. It's designed to still be running 15 years later. Maintenance costs remain among the lowest in the industry. Insurance rates remain competitive. Fuel economy is excellent, but perhaps the RAV4's biggest strength is depreciation. Few vehicles hold their value as well. Owners lose less money over time, and that directly affects the total cost of ownership. When buyers purchase a RAV4, they aren't simply buying transportation. They're protecting their money, they're reducing future risk, and they're investing in one of the safest choices in the automotive market. Only one SUV ranks higher. Number 1, Honda HR-V. The most reliable SUV on this list isn't the largest, it isn't the fastest, it isn't the most luxurious, it's the Honda HR-V. And that surprises many people, because reliability isn't always about size or price. Sometimes simpler really is better. The HR-V costs significantly less than many competitors, but the real story begins years later. Owners regularly report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with very few problems. Basic maintenance often represents the only required expense. Oil changes, brake service, tires, routine inspections. Because the HR-V is lighter and smaller than larger SUVs, fuel economy remains excellent. Insurance costs stay low, repair costs remain affordable, resale values remain strong. Everything about the HR-V was designed to reduce ownership costs. It doesn't chase luxury, it doesn't chase performance. It focuses on something much more difficult to achieve: dependability. The HR-V proves that the best SUV isn't always the biggest one. Sometimes it's the vehicle that quietly starts every morning, requires very little attention, and saves you thousands of dollars over its lifetime. And that's exactly why the Honda HR-V earns the number 1 spot. So here's the question: which of these SUVs would you trust to carry your family for the next 10, 15, or even 20 years? Let us know down in the comments. And if this video helped you avoid an expensive mistake, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more rankings, reliability reports, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.